Somebody's a little excited today. What are you so excited about, dude? Huh? What are you so excited about? Are we at the doggy park? Well, this is like 4th month here at this shop. And last night, just as the shop broke down, closed down, the van wouldn't start. I was working on it all day long. I didn't think you guys wanted to watch more battery videos. But it turns out I think my starter is shot. We're going to find out. I got to get in the shop and talk to the boys. It's a wet morning, but check this. I just tried to pull that. Looks like, oh, not the dude, the car. It's an old Valiant 67-ish. The dude's been on my case all morning. Just give me another hour. So it's now 8 o'clock, so let's go see what it's like outside. I don't know what the temperature is, but I don't feel like getting cold. It's nice and warm in here. Are you ready? Yeah, where's your leash? Where's your leash? It's in the front seat. Okay. Hey, come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. He has been whining and sniveling for about 45 minutes to go outside. And he hasn't even lifted his leg. It's weird. Huh? Convertible too. Nice. Nice. Well, that doesn't look very uplifting. It turns out that we have one employee off right now, and we have another employee off starting tomorrow, which leaves them down to like 2 mechanics in a fairly busy schedule. So hopefully we can get it out and we're gonna get it rebuilt because it's the best way to go. And here comes Russell. This guy is gonna have to do it.
Oh, goody.
So the amount of video that will be coming out in the next week will be very limited because I won't be able to do anything. I can't go anywhere. I can't drive anywhere. You're gonna get like a walk. So if I disappear off the face of the planet for a few days, now you know why. Okay. Thank you guys all for supporting me. I'll be back and hopefully we'll be able to hit the road again. Or it could be flying to Alberta. Base out. Well, I've decided, since the boys are understaffed, I might as well take a swing at getting this starter out of here. We'll borrow some jacks, some jack stands. We'll get the back end of this bus up in the air so I can climb underneath it and probably have to take some pills. But hey, you guys get the content. Yeah, I own a Volkswagen, so I always carry a crappy coat, a crappy pair of pants, and some shirts, so that I don't care if they get dirty or ripped and stuff like this, because Volkswagens are constantly, well, not this one, but breaking down. And I just find it good for working aesthetics to have a crappy pair, because you don't want to ruin your good clothes all the time, even though I do it still. But as we're almost dressed, and it's cold out, and it's overcast, and it's foggy, and I'm old. Anyways, next thing we'll be outside by the magic of video. Come here. Here you go. Come on. Waking up. I was just taking my Jack out for a walk. We got one side done. Get the other side done, and I'll get some cardboard. Okay, that's enough. Oh yeah, perfect. Actually, not get to work yet. Need to find. I wish I would have thrown out that cardboard now that I had for that big fridge. Hopefully it's still dry. But I need to climb underneath the car, and it's really nice to have thick cardboard for your knees and stuff. And dampness. Oh yeah, it's dry. Nice, big, dry, thick piece of cardboard. One heads up before you do anything electrical in any vehicle: disconnect the battery. Sometimes, Brent, I put the new battery in yesterday afternoon. It seemed to work and started up, and then I went to start it, it wouldn't start. I'm like, oh God, not again. So as I was taking the battery out, I realized I never tightened down the positive. So I'm going to tighten it down, we'll see if it starts. Well, I think I need a new battery terminal in. Good as new. Funny, eh? There's one here. There's another guy over there. So if you're ever in the Nanaimo and you need your car fixed, even the tow truck companies bring them all here. Okay. Fingers crossed. What's the view here? Nice. That's all it was, dude. Dude, that makes me really happy. Okay. I gotta go get cleaned up, and I gotta bring away some gifts. Oh, I'm so happy. The van's running perfect. It actually sounds even better than it had before. So I got dropped off your mail, Mr. Betts, and something for Dan in the van, Dan. And then
then I had to get rid of that nuclear lithium battery back to doo-doo. Now I'm gonna go Subway. That was delicious. I always do the same thing every time I go to Subway. Veggie Delight, salt and pepper, white cheddar, with a chipotle sauce to kick it up a notch, and everything. All those banana peppers, hot peppers. But I think a foot long's too much. So I'm headed back to the compound. Yay!